train you. Are you following somebody? Rodila Prakatoska. Sometimes God allows some situations so that the people that are around your life can just be away from you and say, oh, what is happening to this person? It's like God has forgotten him. But only to find that God is just moving them away from you because he's about to bless you. Are you following? Because sometimes God rises a storm in your life for people to just look away and not help you, because he sees their intentions and he sees their hearts, that if he can bless you, these people will remain around your life. I'm talking about people who are going to take advantage of you, take advantage of what the Lord has done for you. Are you hearing me? Remember that God understands and God knows and God sees